Hi students, have a great day. Today we are going to see about the 9.1 exercise and the chapter is some application of trigonometry. Okay, so what are the basic things? Just I'll brief once because the trigonometry chapter we have studied in first term. Okay, so I'll brief little bit of that, then we can go directly to the exercise. There are 16 questions. Let's solve one by one. Okay, so the first one is, see here, what are the application of trigonometry? So in trigonometry we have we studied about the right angle and its properties. Okay, so the right angle here it will be, so it should be a perpendicular. Consider this as a perpendicular. So this is 90 degree. So a triangle with 90 degree, that triangle property we have studied in trigonometry, and based on this we derive the sine, cos and tan values. Okay, so see here, so the triangle is here perpendicular and this is 90 degree. Okay, so this, if suppose this angle is theta, so and we name it as A, B and C. Okay, so the of this theta, this BC is the adjacent to the theta. Okay, so opposite of this is this side AB. Okay, so always the side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So okay, so based on this we can derive sine theta, cos theta, tan theta and the remaining angles. Okay, so what is sine theta? Sine of this angle theta C. Okay, sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, which is equal to AB by AC, and cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta is sine by cos, matlab this by this. So this is becoming AB by BC. Okay, that is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So likewise sec theta is 1 by cos theta. These things we have studied in first term. Okay, just for refreshing I am giving it again. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. That means 1 by BC by AC, which will become AC by BC. Okay, so here cosec is 1 by sine, so that means 1 by AB by AC, so that means AC by AB. Okay, so and then cot theta is 1 by tan theta and 1 by AB by BC, 1 by AB by BC, which will become BC by AB. So these are the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so in this chapter we mostly use only these three trigonometric ratio. This for your information I have given here. Okay, so if suppose the angle theta is here, if suppose this should be a perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree. If suppose the angle is here, angle theta is here, A, B and C, the angle is here. So what is the opposite side of this? So this will become the opposite side and this will become the adjacent side, and side always opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. Okay, so now this ratio will become, if I am asking sine theta, that is sine A, sine theta, theta is angle A. Okay, so this will become opposite by hypotenuse, that means BC by AC. So it depends on where the angle is, where the theta is. Okay, so if the theta is here, this become adjacent, this become opposite, and side opposite is hypotenuse always. And if theta is here, this become the adjacent and this become its opposite, adjacent to the angle, nearby that angle, adjacent to the angle, this is the opposite to that angle. So the ratio will change accordingly. Okay, yes, this is done. And then now we will see the application. For application we require three terms: line of sight, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So what is line of sight? Suppose I am seeing, okay, so I am seeing a bus moving on a road. So the line from my eye to that bus is the line of sight. So whatever object we are viewing, eye to that object is called line of sight. Okay, so then what is angle of elevation? Suppose if I am watching an airplane flying here. Okay, so flight here, consider this as a flight. Okay, so then this angle, this is the horizontal, okay, and this is our line of sight. Why this is our line of sight? Line of sight is nothing but the line from our eye to the object observed. This is line of sight, and this is horizontal to your eye, and this angle which you are viewing above the horizontal is called angle of elevation. This angle is above the horizontal, then it is angle of elevation. Suppose if I am standing on a tower, big building, I am at the top of the building and I am watching a person walking on the road. Okay, so if a person I am watching walking on the road, if I am watching from a top of the building, so then this angle is called the angle of depression. So the angle with the horizontal here also, I'll make a diagram here. Okay, see, suppose I'm standing in a building, top of my building, and I'm watching a person walking on the road. Okay, if this is the person, so this is, suppose this is my eye, then this is called line of sight, because the line from my eye to the observer is the line of sight. So with the horizontal, whatever angle it makes, that is the angle of elevation or depression. Here I am viewing below the horizontal, so it is called angle of depression. Okay, getting? Yes. So next one is, so how to calculate the angles? This you have done in your lower classes itself. Just for refreshing, I am giving again. So 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 you write here, and below that you write was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide it by 4. So all this you divide by 4. Okay. After dividing, take a square root of that. 0 by 4 is 0. 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. Here 2 by 4, if I cancel, it will become 1 by 2, and the square root is 1 by 2. Okay. So then 3 by 4 is root 3 by 4 square root is 2, root 3 by 2, and here 1. So this value which we obtained here is the first value of sine theta. Okay, can you understand this one? Am I going fast? See, listen, you have to write 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and here below that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then divide all the values by 4, and after that take a square root of those values. After taking the square root, whatever value you are getting, that is nothing but the value of sine. So that means sine of 0 is 0, sine of 30 is half, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, sine of 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine of 90 is 1. So we got the sine values. So now you interchange, like interchange means this last you have to put here. So that means this reverse that, this last it will come here, so next will come here, and next will be here only. So next value will be here, and then 0 will be at this end. So just reverse the first sine values, then you will get the value of cos. That is cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, after doing this, you can find the tan theta. So you can divide sine by cos. Sine by cos will give, if you divide this by this, 2 will get cancelled, you will get 1 by 3. Here dividing, you will get 1, and here you will get root 3, and here you will get infinity, because 1 by 0 is infinity. Why it is infinity? I have already explained in one of my videos. So why 1 by 0 is infinity? Because what is the meaning of division? If I am writing 4 by 2, I am going to divide 4 by 2 parts. So if there are 4 things, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am going to divide into 2 parts. Here one part, here one part. That means answer will be two parts. Okay. So now I am supposed to divide 1 into 1 by 0 parts. Already 1 is there available. How can I divide it by 0 parts? It's not possible, right? So this is not possible, and so if dividing that is equal to infinity. So that means we can divide 0. How many times 0? 0, 0, 0, 0. How many times you add? You won't get 1. Okay. So the value is infinity. So tan 90 is infinity. Okay. So like this you can make a chart immediately after entering an exam, or better you can remember these values. Okay, so now coming to the exercise 9.1, see the questions one by one, let's solve. Okay, so a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. This diagram is given in your book. He is climbing a 20-meter rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top vertical pole. This is the pole, AB is the pole, and on this thread is a rope is stretched. So in this the circus person is climbing. Okay, so now what is the question? Find the height of the pole. We have to find what is the value of AB. So we are given this angle 30. Okay, so the 30 is given, this side is asked. So what is the side of this 30? It is called as opposite of 30. So we need opposite, and we are given hypotenuse. So what is the thing? We need opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite hypotenuse is which one? Which trigonometric ratio? Sine theta. Okay, so sine 30, which is equal to opposite by, what is the value of hypotenuse? It is 20. So what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So if I cross multiply, 20 into 1 by 2 will get opposite, which is nothing but AB. Okay, so 10 meter, just check it is meter or not. Yes, 10 meter is the value of the AB, which means the height of the vertical pole is 10 meter. You have to write and complete in that way. Okay, so let's see the next question. Yeah, second question is here. A tree breaks due to storm and broken parts bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Okay, see, this is the tree. Suppose this is the tree and it breaks in between. Okay, so it bends so that top of the, this is the top of the tree, that is, this gets folded like this, in this way. Okay, suppose if I am saying ABC, C is the top of the tree previously, now it breaks at A, so the C touches the ground. Okay, so the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So that means foot of the tree is this one, foot, and the top touches the ground. This distance is given as 8 meter, and this makes an angle 30 degree. So we have to find the height of the tree. So what is the height of the tree here? We have to find AB plus AC, because that is the total height of the tree. First understand the question clearly, don't find AB and leave. We have to find the height of the tree, means we have to find total BC. BC is nothing but BA plus AC. Okay, so we have to find the hypotenuse also, and we have to find this opposite side also, and then add the two, that is the answer. Okay, so how we can proceed? We have given adjacent. This is the angle, so this side is adjacent. Okay, adjacent is given, and now none of the other values are, any other value given? Not given. Okay, so we'll find out. See here, this tan theta, if you go for this tan 30, then it is opposite by adjacent, right? So opposite by adjacent means AB by 8. So 8 into tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3, which is equal to AB. So 8 by root 3 is AB. So what is AB? This side. Okay, so this side we have found as 8 by root 3. Now we have to find this side. Okay, so how we will find this? Any of the angles. We can take either sine theta or cos theta, whatever you want, because we have got both the adjacent data also and opposite data also, both the data available, so you can take either of that. So now it is sine 30 is equal to 8 by root 3 by AC. Sine 30, if I have taken sine 30, so it is opposite by hypotenuse, so it is 8 by root 3 by AC. So AC will become 8 by root 3 divided by sine 30. So what is the value of sine 30? It is half. So then it will become 16 by root 3. What is this value? This is of the hypotenuse. This is also found. Okay. So what is the question? The question is we have to find the height of the total tree. So you have to add to tree height is. So here I am writing tree height is AB plus AC. AB plus AC. AB we have found as 8 root 3 and then AC we have found as 8 by root 3 and 16 by root 3. So this will become 24 by root 3. If you multiply and divide by root 3, then you will get denominator will become 3 and root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay. So 8. So the answer will become 8 root 3. Check if it is meter. Obviously tree height will be in meter only, not in centimeter. So this is the height of the tree. Done. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the third question. A contractor plans to install 2 slides. So just imagine your garden park. So 2 slides are there. For a children below 5. So small children will play in small slides, you have seen. So they have made a small slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter. So that means they don't want to make it big. So this height is 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Okay. So for elder children they want to make it little bit bigger. So 3 meter height and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. It will be 60 degree. Okay. Not this one. Leave this. 60 degree. Okay. So what should be the length of the slide in either case? So they want this slide height as well as this slide height. So I will consider this as ABC and this elder ones as DEF. Okay. Yeah. So now what? It's an obvious question. See here. This is given. This is the angle. That means this is opposite side. So and this is hypotenuse because this is 90 degree. Okay. So opposite by hypotenuse is which one? You yourself can say. Sine 30 is 1.5 by AC. So AC is equal to 1.5 by 1 by 2 because sine 30 is 1 by 2. So which is equal to 15 2s are 30. That is 1 decimal will go 3 meter. So this slide length is 3 meter. So the next one is here also again this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So you will take sine 60 is equal to same type of sum. No, not required much explanation, not required I guess. So here DF. Okay. So then D is already given 3 meter. For this slide I am calculating. Okay. DF you don't know. This you have to find out. So sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. 3 meter. Okay. 3 by sine 60 which is equal to 3 by sine 60 is root 3 by 2 which is equal to, if you take in reciprocal, 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So this will become 2 root 3 meter. Okay. So this slide length is 2 root 3 meter. So what should be the length of the slide in each case? So the first slide length will be 3 meter and the second slide length will be 2 root 3 meter. Okay. Yes. The next question. So very simple questions. The concept is same, only you have to remember the angles properly and you have to apply properly. Okay. So fourth question is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground. From the ground one point you are seeing the top of a tower. So that means this is the tower. Okay. Which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is 30 meter. Why this is 30 meter? It's 30 meter from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower, right? See, AB is tower. That means this is the foot of the tower. So 30 meter is this length and the angle for the tower is 30. So what is the question? Find the height of the tower. So you have to find AB. So again, what is this? AB is nothing but opposite of the given angle 30 degree. So opposite by you are having adjacent. So what you will find? You will find sine tan 30. Okay, so find tan 30 by yourself. Tan 30, you can complete before seeing the answers. Tan 30 is equal to AB by 30. What is the angle of value of tan 30? 1 by root 3, which is equal to 30. I have brought this side. Okay, so which is equal to, so I'll multiply and divide by root 3. So equal to AB, which is equal to 30 root 3 divided by 3, which is equal to AB, and here it is 10. So which is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Yes, meter. Okay, so this is the answer. It's very obvious. Opposite required and adjacent is given. We know the trigonometric ratio opposite by adjacent is tan 30, tan this theta. So you are applying tan theta here. Okay. Yes. Fifth question. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Yes. Kite flying festival is over. So you all might have done that. So you are watching a kite, okay, flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So this is the ground. Suppose this is the ground, and it is flying 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily, I'll draw a kite here so that you can understand further. So the string attached to the kite, this is the string, is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is the point where it is tied. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. Find the length of the string. This string. Usually when we are flying the kite, it's not required. It has to be stiff and straight, so that they have mentioned there is no slack in the string. So if suppose the string is like this, if you are flying the kite, it will be like this only. It's not required, it should be straight. So they have mentioned there is no slack in the string. That means it is straight. Okay, after a particular time it will become straight. Initially it won't. If it goes to the higher levels, the string will become straight. Okay, so no slack in the string, so we assume this is a straight line. Okay, so what are the data given? What is asked? Length of the string. This is the data asked. Okay, length of the string is asked. That means it is hypotenuse. 60 degree is given. This is the opposite side. Opposite side is given. Hypotenuse is asked. So which ratio we have to use? Opposite by hypotenuse ratio. So what is that? It is sine. So what is the angle? 60. Okay, done. Yes, you can apply this and find the answer. 60 by root 3 by 2. So that will be the value of hypotenuse. 120 by root 3. Again multiply and divide by root 3. Then it will become 40 root 3. This we can solve. You can solve very well, very easy. Only the thing is, you have to, I have seen students who get confused on drawing the diagram. So but whenever you draw a diagram, you just close your eyes and imagine once what they are talking about. You just imagine a kite. You are flying a kite from a terrace or from a ground. Like that, if you imagine, you can draw this exactly what is required. Or else some students, little bit they get confused, being in panic, or they doubt whether they are drawing it properly or not. So those students make mistakes. Just close your eyes, just imagine the situation, and then you can draw it properly. After that, it's very easy. Whichever ratio is given, you have to apply the corresponding one. Okay, so now sixth question. Coming to the sixth question, it is 1.5 meter tall boy. This is the very small. Okay, 1.5 meter tall boy. Okay, a boy is standing here at some distance from a 30 meter from a tall building. One building is here. The building is 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his top of his eyes, suppose this is his eyes, to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree when he walks towards, he started walking towards the building. When he walks towards the building. Is this clear? Find the distance he walked towards the building. This to this. This is the distance he has walked. Initially he felt that the angle is 30 degree, and from here when he viewed the top of the building it is 60 degree. So this is the distance he has walked. Getting? Yes. Is the diagram clear? Please read the question again. He is a 1.5 meter person and his eye is here, and he is watching a 30 meter. He will be standing on the ground, and the building will also be ground, so they will be on the horizontal line. And from his eye, the angle of a building, top of the building is 30 degree, and he starts walking towards the building, and from one position he is seeing the top of the building, it becomes 60 degree. So they need the walking distance. So that means the value required is BC, how much he walked. Okay, so now coming to this building height, this height AD height is what? AD height is 28.5. okay, so because 30 minus 1.5, because we have to remove this. Now building is from this base and he is standing here, his angle of elevation from this side, so this 1.5 here we have to subtract. So the building height now is 28.5. okay, AD is 28.5 and not 30. The total is 30. okay, so now what are given? Angle is given, this is given, only this is given. okay, so now what we have to find? We want this data, the total triangle. If we take CABD, I take. okay, so here angle is 30. You have got opposite data and you need adjacent data. okay, so you'll take tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 28.5 divided by BD. And in the second triangle ACD, there tan 60 is equal to 28.5 divided by CD. This triangle. okay, so this triangle. So these two triangles, we have to check whether we can equate something so that we can find the value. So here BD is equal to what? Here CD is equal to 28.5 by tan 60. okay, so root 3, 28.5 divided by root 3. okay, so here BD is equal to 28.5 divided by 1 by root 3, which is equal to 28.5 root 3. okay, so these two values we have found, the value of BD and the value of CD. So BD and this CD. okay, so now what is the thing? We have to find only BC. So BC is nothing but BD minus CD. okay, so from equation 1 minus, from this value 1 minus value 2, so 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. okay, so 28.5 into 3 minus 28, if we take LCM, by root 3, like this. okay, so we will get 28.5 into root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. I will multiply and divide by root 3, so I will get 28.5 into 2 divided by 3 into root 3. You can do this calculation by yourself and check it out. So you will get 19 root 3 meter. Yes, I want you to understand how to draw the diagram, what is the value and what given and what is the value required. This solves the sum. So this calculation are very easy things which at the 10th standard you can very well do. okay, so here I have taken 28.5 common here outside, then 3 minus 1 will become 2. That's what he has written. And in order to cancel that root 3 in the denominator, I have multiplied and divided by root 3, and you will arrive at 19 root 3 as the answer. okay, So next question, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower at the top of 20 meter. Okay, so you just imagine whenever there is a transmission tower, it will be at the tall buildings. Okay, so there is a building here and there is a transmission tower over here. Okay, top of the 20-meter high building. From the point on the ground, from ground we are seeing the elevation, angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So this is a tower. Okay, so we'll mention it as A, B, C and D, right? So now BC is what? Building, and AB is what? Tower. So the angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower, here it is given respectively. So first what is given, that will be taken as first one. Okay, bottom is given, then 45 is for bottom of the tower, it is 45, and for the top of the tower it is 60. You have to take the angle for the total, okay, with the ground, and this also with the ground. Getting? Don't put here 60 degree. Yes, done. So now what is the question? What you have to find out? We have to find out the tower height. Okay, so done. Easy. Yes. So this tower AB we don't know, so I'll consider it as X. The height of AB I'll consider it as X initially. So now I'll consider the triangle ADC. So 60 degree, right? ADC 60 degree. We need opposite by whatever we take. We have got only one value. This value is not also available. I'll consider this as Y or keep it CD itself. No issue. So now here sine 60 opposite by adjacent. Okay, so I'll take tan. Tan 60 is, tower height is 20 plus x, this 20 plus this x. So 20 plus x, and what is the adjacent is, not, we don't know. So we can keep it as CD or we can keep it as Y. Okay, so now CD is equal to, what is the value of tan 60? Root 3. So this will come in the denominator. Now I'll consider the second triangle BCD. So tan 45, so 20 by CD. So CD is, tan 45 is 1, so CD is 20. So now I can put that CD 1 here. Is that or not? CD I have got the value, so I can substitute in 1. I'll keep it as 1 and 2. Put 2 in 1. I have not given space. Okay, so here put 2 in 1. So the CD value will become 20. I am substituting here. 20 is equal to 20 plus x divided by root 3. So 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to x. So x is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So what is this x? X is nothing but the height of the tower AB. So you have to complete writing. Height of the tower is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Getting? See, half of the data is not there. The tower height, total height is not there. So I have taken this tower height as x. The total height become 20 plus x, and this is also not given. I kept it as CD. So since this is opposite by adjacent, I'll take tan. Okay, so I'll find both the tan 45 and tan 60. From one of that I got the value of CD, and then I substitute that value over here so that I can find the height of the tower S. Next question. A statue 1.6 meters stands on the top of a pedestal. Some statue is standing on something, a pedestal. Okay, so whatever be the statue, right? Just statue is here, 1.6 meter pedestal. It is standing on the top of that. From the point of the ground, angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. On the same point, the angle of elevation of the pedestal, top of the pedestal, that means this point. So please adjust the diagram. not this one, so I'll draw here again. One pedestal is here, 1.6 meter, and on the top there is a statue. Okay, statue is here, and then from a point on the ground, the angle of top of the statue is 60 degree. Always the angle is made with a horizontal, and the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. I'm sorry, statue's height is given 1.6 meter. We have to find the pedestal height. A statue 1.6 meter tall. Okay, sorry, statue height is 1.6 meter and the pedestal height we have to find. It's exactly similar as your previous question. Hope you can solve by this yourself. Instead of building and tower, it is given pedestal and statue. The angle is same, 45 and 60, and so you can solve this better by yourself, I guess. So just can give a hint. Start with this question. You have to again find tan 60 is equal to 1.6 plus this, I will take x now, divided by CD, and then tan 45 is equal to again opposite by adjacent by CD. Okay, so 45 is 1, so CD will become 1.6 plus, I'm sorry, here x by CD, only x is required now. CD is the value will become x, so here you will substitute CD is equal to 1.6 plus x by, what is tan 60, root 3. So CD you have found x, okay, so x is equal to 1.6 plus x by root 3, cross multiply, root 3 x is minus x is equal to 1.6. So x is into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. I have done only. Okay, so x is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Yeah, this is the answer. So if you want to simplify further, you can multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square type. Okay, this I will show you. Here what we got, up to this it might be clear. So same, exactly similar like the previous sum, we have found tan 60 and this is the total height. In triangle ACD we have found tan 60, and in triangle BCD we have found tan 45. So and we found the value of CD and we are substituting this over here. After substituting, we are arriving at some value of x. So that value is equal to, x is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. You can leave here, but if suppose you want the textbook answer, you can multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1. Why we are multiplying and dividing by root 3 plus 1? Because it will arrive at the formula a plus b into a minus b. What is that? Which is equal to a square minus b square. So this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So it is a square minus b square 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, so root 3 square is 3 minus 1, and here 1.6 into root 3. You can keep it as such, no need to further divide. So denominator will become 2. If you divide the numerator, 2 into 0.8 is 1.6, and you can keep it as root 3 plus 1 meter. So this will be your textbook answer. Okay. Yes, ninth question. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. One building is there, one tower is there. Okay, this is tower, this is building. Top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of the ulta reverse is 60 degree. So like this it is. If the tower is 50 meter height, this is 50 meter. So we have to find the height of the building. Okay. So now A, B, C, D, you keep it anything. So let us see the triangle ABC. So what is 60? Tan 60. Why tan 60? because we have got the data of opposite and we need only the data required is adjacent. So tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. So AB is 50 by BC. So what is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. So 50 by root 3. Okay, so BC we have found. So from that we can use this BC for triangle BDC. Okay, so tan 30 is DC by BC. So BC we have found, DC we don't know. 50 by root 3. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. I will bring this 50 by root 3 this side, into 50 by root 3 is DC. That's the building height, right? Which is equal to 50 by root 3 into root 3, 3. So 50 by 3 will be the answer. So which you can simplify further as 16.6 meter. So the building height is 16.6 meter. Is that clear? Just make the diagram properly and mark the appropriate values given and values asked. From this, after that we can see whether we require opposite by adjacent, opposite by hypo, or what you want. Based on that you can apply the corresponding angles. So that's it. 10th question. So the two poles equal height are standing in opposite to each other either side of the road. So this is your road. Two poles are here. On pole 1 and pole 2, which is 80 meter wide. That means this road width is 80 meter. From a point between them on the road, the angle of the elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree, somewhere in between the road. So one angle is 60 degree, top of the pole, and another angle is 30 degree. I'll write that 80 meter down. Okay, it's 30 degree like this. So what do you want to find? Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. See this distance, only this distance and this distance. Okay, total distance we know 80 meter. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. The diagram is like this, 80 meter this one. Standing here we are seeing the top of the pole and it is some around 30, and from here this side of the pole is getting in 60 degree. So these are the poles. This is road, and so we have to find the height of the poles A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so in triangle ABC, what we need? Opposite you require, adjacent also you don't know, that is different. So if I take this side is X, CD as X, then BC, if I take CD is equal to X, then BC is 80 minus X. Okay, so now tan 30 is equal to AB by BC, so which is equal to AB we don't know, BC we know, we have kept it as 80 minus X. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by 80 minus X. Okay, so now take the other triangle ECD. Okay, so here tan 60 is equal to ED by CD. Okay, so tan 60, what is the value? Root 3. What is the value of CD? We have taken it as X equal to ED. Okay, so both are done. Now we can we equate anything? You just check. Here AB is there, here ED is there. So both are the poles. Here it is given equal heights. So that means this pole and this pole height are same. So that means AB is equal to ED, and here AB is equal to 80 minus X by root 3, and here ED is equal to root 3X. So we can equate both. See, this is 1 and this is 2. Since both are equal, we can equate 1 is equal to 2. Both the poles are equal. So what is 1? 80 by minus X by root 3. and here it is root 3x. So this will become 3x and this will 80 minus x. So 4x is equal to 80, x is equal to 20. So what is x here? We have taken CD as x. So CD as x means one side distance is 20. So remaining side AC is BC. Okay. So BC is what we have taken, 80 is total. So BC is 80 minus x. That means 80 minus 20, which is equal to 60 meter. So we have found this distance BC. This distance is also as BC and CD. It is 80 and 20. Okay. So now what is the other question? Height of the pole. So what is the height of the pole? AB. Okay. So AB is what? 80 minus x. AB is what? 80 minus x by root 3. So now we have found x as 20. So 80 minus 20 by root 3, which is equal to 60 by root 3. So all found. If you want to divide, if you want to simplify further, you multiply and divide by root 3. So you will get 3 at the denominator. 3, 20, 60, 20 root 3 meter. So what is this? This is height of the pole height. Okay. These are the distance from the place where they are standing. Okay. Clear? Right. Coming to the next question. Drawing is given, so no issue for you. So vertical, what is question asked? Just see. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of the canal. That means this is TV tower. From a point on the bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 and 30, that is given. 20 meter away from this point is a line joining to the point on the foot of the tower. Angle of elevation top is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So this is asked, AB is asked, and width of the canal. This is the canal they have said. Width of the canal means we have to find BD. We have to find both AB as well as BD. That's it. So it is opposite by adjacent. I'll consider this as X. This as some AB itself, we keep it as opposite by adjacent. So there are two triangles. Then what you will do? You will take tan theta. That's all. So in triangle ABD, tan 30, opposite is AB and adjacent is 20 plus X. So what's the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 into 20 plus X is AB. What is AB? Height of the TV tower. Okay, so keep it as 1. And the second one is ACD. So you yourself may get bored doing the same sums again and again, but no other go. So just for the completion of the chapter, I am doing this. So it's very easy. You people can do by yourself. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 and it is equal to AB. So since both are AB, we can equate 20 plus x, same like previous sum. 20 plus x by root 3 equal to yes, root 3x. Root 3x. So cross multiply, you will get 3x and here 20. So bring that x over here, it will become 2x and then 10. So x is equal to 10. What is x here? X is nothing but this BC. So total will become 20 plus, we want to find the canal na, BD. BD you have to find. So BD is BC plus CD. BD you have to find, which is equal to BC plus CD. This is x is nothing but CD. BC already you know 20. So this will become 30. The canal will become 30. And then what else is asked? This TV tower height. Okay. So AB is equal to x root 3. So AB is x into root 3. So x we have found 10. So 10 root 3 is the height of tower. Height of tower, TV tower, and this 30 meter is canal width. Okay. So same type of sum is getting repeated, and when the diagram is given, it's still more easy. So you can do, I guess there are some around 16 questions. Okay, so next question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is 60 degree. One building is there, 7 meter. Angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. So that means the tower is somewhere over here, 60 degree. And the angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. Okay, so this is the cable tower. Cable tower is this one, and this is our building. From the top of the building, angle of elevation means above our eye to the top of the cable tower is 60 and the bottom is 45. Okay, so when there is a between two parallel lines, the alternate angles are equal, so this becomes 45. When this is 45, this is 45. These two are parallel lines. This, see, make it as perpendicular line. This is 90 degree, this is not slanted one, this is straight one, and this is also straight line. Two parallel lines are there, so then the alternate angles are equal. This is also 45 then. Okay, so now we can make it as A, B, C, D and E if required here. Okay, so this is done. So now what you want, I'll take the triangle. If this is 7, this side is also 7 meter. Okay, so now this, I'll take triangle ADE. So tan 60 is DE by AE. Here I have mentioned E here. Okay, DE by AE. Then another triangle, let's me take ABC. In this tan 45 is AB by BC. AB is 7, so BC is equal to 7 because tan 45 is 1, so BC is 7. So this has become 7. So BC is 7 means AE is also 7. So DE is equal to AE is 7, right? So 7 into tan 60, which is equal to 7 into root 3. That's it. So now what is this we have found? DE, this one, 7 root 3. What is the question? Height of the tower. Total we have to find. So we have to find DC. That is the tower height. 7 plus 7 root 3. So 7 into 1 plus root 3 meter. Getting? Just here the diagram you have to be very careful, and then alternate angles are equal. So if this is 7, then this is 7. If this is 7, this is 7, because both are of the same horizontal we are drawn, and we need the total height. So we have to add up this height. Somebody leave up to here, then your mark will get reduced. So read the question. Height of the tower means from top to bottom DC. DC is nothing but DE plus EC. So you have to add both. Okay. Yes. Next question. 13th question. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. Lighthouse is there from the sea level. If suppose this is the sea level, the angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse, somebody is watching the ships. Two ships. Okay, ship 1 and ship 2. This is ship 1 and ship 2. Okay. So depressions from the top means it will be depression. It is 30 degree and another one is 45 degree. Okay, so this is between two parallel lines, so alternate angles will be equal. This will be 30 and this will be 45. Okay, so the height of the tower is 75 meter. So what do you want to find? Distance between the ship, matlab this two. Okay, so A, B, C and D. So we have to find out CD, distance between the ships, right? So again this is opposite by adjacent. I'm getting bored of doing the same sums. If you are also, please skip those things and do by yourself. Okay, so in triangle ABC, tan 45. See, these are all things you can do by yourself. Only if required you can refer back again. If you are not getting the answers, then you can refer this, because when you see the sums and do that, you can't think anything. Thinking about the diagram is important, so better you do the diagram and calculation by yourself and check the answers if you are getting anything wrong. So tan 45 is 1, so BC is equal to 75 meter. So here, is that right? AB by BC, right? BC, yes, we are getting the same distance, height, this much height. Okay, so then triangle, in second triangle, which is the second triangle? ABD. Tan 30 is equal to 75 by 75 plus CD. Okay, so what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 75 by 75 plus CD. Cross multiply. Cross multiply, you will get 75 plus CD equal to 75 root 3. CD is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. So 75 into root 3 minus 1. That's it. This is the question asked. CD is asked na, between the two ships. So CD is 75 into root 3 minus 1. Okay. As next question, again the same, should I do or not? So this is again same, like this is 1.2 meter. Girl spots the balloons. The balloons started moving, and the first its angle is 60 and the second angle is 30, and this height is 88.2 meter. Okay, so I guess this you can do by yourself. I'm not going to do. So you can mark this as A, B, C, D, E, and take two triangle ABC and BDE. Take two triangle, take tan 60 and tan 30. Okay, so then 88.2 means after subtracting this 1.2, it will become 87 only. So tan 60 will be 87 by BC and tan 30 will be 87 by BE. Okay, sorry, BE. So like this you cross multiply, you find the value and then equate both and you will get the answer. Yes, you do by yourself. 15th question. This is little different. Okay, a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. By highway you are leading to a foot of the tower. There is some tower over here. A man standing on the top of the tower, he is standing here, observes a car. A car is moving over here. Okay, and he is observing a car. Angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, so since it is parallel, if you draw a line here, it will become parallel, so 30 degree will be here, which is approaching the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later it would be 60 degree. Okay, the angle of depression become 60 degree after 6 seconds. So this is 6 seconds. Okay, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower, like here. So we have to calculate this seconds, how many seconds required for this. So A, B, C, D I'll mark. Okay, so now again taking the triangle ADC, tan 60 is equal to AD by CD, and I'll take the triangle ABD. So tan 30 is equal to AD by BD. Okay, BD, right? So now in both, what is AD? AD is equal to CD into tan 60 is root 3, and here AD is equal to 1 by root 3. AD is equal to 1 by root 3 into BD. So both are AD, we can equate that. So root 3 CD is equal to 1 by root 3 BD. So cross multiply, you will get 3 CD is equal to BD, right? Up to this it is clear. So this is done. So now coming to the question, 3 CD is BD. BD is what? BD is BC plus CD. Yes, see here. We arrived at 3CD is equal to BD. Okay, so 3CD. BD is what? BC plus CD. So take this CD here. 2CD will become BC. So CD is BC by 2. Okay, so CD is, see here, CD is BC by 2. That means 6 by 2. BC is 6 seconds and CD is BC by 2. So that means 6 by 2. It takes 3 seconds from C to D. It takes 3 seconds. Okay. So question is, find the time taken by the car to reach up from this point. From which point? From the second point the question is. So it is 3 seconds. Okay. Done. So the last question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at the distance of 4 meter. 2 points at a distance of 4 meter. And this is tower. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So it is upper side. Okay. At a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base. So this is 4 meter and this one is 9 meter. Okay. I'll write A, B, C, D. So CD is 4 meter. From the tower it is, CD is 4 meter and this is 9 meter. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. We have to prove this, and these angles are, yeah, here it is complementary. The angle is not given directly, it is given complementary. Complementary means the total angle is 90 degree. If I am taking alpha as one angle and beta as another angle, then the total will become 90 degree. Suppose if it is alpha and this will become 90 minus alpha, the total angle 90 degree. Okay, so now again after that it is same. So only the thing here different is it is given as complementary. Complementary means the sum of the angles is 90 degree. So if we take one angle as alpha and the beta will become 90 minus alpha. Okay, the other angle is 90 minus alpha. If we add this both, alpha will get cancelled, it will be 90 only. Okay, so this is the only difference, but remaining other will be same. So tan alpha is equal to AD by 9 meter. Okay, 9 meter. This distance BD is 9 meter. So and then tan 90 minus alpha, and another one more thing you have to understand. And here it is for this another triangle. Okay, ACD. It is CD by AD by 4. Okay, so here tan 90 minus alpha is nothing but cot alpha. Okay, so 90 minus alpha is cot alpha. So AD by 4 here. If I cross multiply, the 4 will move here. So AD is 9 tan alpha. Here AD is 9 tan alpha. Okay, 1, equation 1. Here AD is 4 cot alpha. Equation 2. So since both are AD, we can equate that. So 9 tan alpha yeah. So the thing is cot alpha is equal to so AB by we can keep it as tan alpha equal to 4 cot alpha. So you can equate like this, or you can make it as, see here AD, here we can keep it as, instead of 9 you keep it as BD. That will be easier for you. Okay, tan alpha is equal to AD by BD, and here also you keep cot alpha, instead of 4 you keep it as CD, AD by CD. Okay, so here it is cot alpha is, see, listen, you just make in this way, this will be easier for you. So I'm just changing this. Cot alpha is AD by CD. Instead of substituting this 4, you keep it as CD. Don't substitute 9 and 4 in the beginning itself. So AD by BD is tan alpha. cot alpha is AD by CD. Okay, up to this it is right. So now other also right only, but it will become little complicated if we do in this way. So cot alpha is equal to AD by CD. What will become tan alpha? Tan alpha is 1 by cot alpha. So this will become reciprocal, okay, getting CD by AD. So this side we can equate. Tan alpha both are here. So we can equate AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. Don't equate this one. This will become complicated. Okay. So AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. So now what will happen? AD square will become CD into BD. Now you multiply, substitute the value. So it will be 9 into 4, right? So 9 into 4, this will become easy. Actually this calculation will become easy. AB square is 36, so AB will become 6. See, what we have done is right. Only the thing is you take the triangle and don't substitute the value of 9 here and 4 here. Keep remaining same. Okay, so why we are doing this? So that we can take the left hand side and equate. Left hand side both will become tan alpha, so that we can equate the right hand side. AD by BD is equal to CD by AD. When we equate this, we will, after that we can substitute. So AD is nothing but is AD square. AD is nothing but the height of the tower, height of the tower. So that is what is asked. Okay, so if you are equating the left hand side, it will become little complicated and the question will become tough for you. So better don't substitute the value of 4 and 9. After that, after getting tan alpha on one side, equate the right hand side and then substitute the value. That's it. Hope you could have understood. So you can do by yourself also. Just do each and every sum and see till the end. Don't leave it in between. Here I forgot to give a meter, half mark for that. Okay, so do till the end and arrive at the answer, so that it will be easy for you to do the calculations during your exam. Thank you. See you in my next video.